Hey guys, it's me Grace and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm actually recording off my laptop, which that's great. So I am using screencast, so that's okay. So today we are playing MSP, and if you don't know, I'm VIP for 1 month, normal VIP. I'll show you now in a minute. So let's go ahead and spin our wheel. And by the way, please comment how do you get sticky? Because sometimes my throat will get sore and I can't talk, so yeah. I am sick, so I was in snow, but still I was sick. I am sick, so yeah. 25, not bad. I would like to get to 200. Wait, I'm trying to point. I'm using my finger. I'm actually tapping the screen right now. Oh, I got 200. Yay! I'm not gonna waste my diamonds. I did have 70 diamonds, guys. Look how many diamonds I have now. Make sure to go subscribe to her, Veronica. I will show you her channel. I'll show you her channel now. And make sure to hit that red bell for her because she'll like that. So her YouTube is Veronica Alexander Plays MSP, which I'll just type that up for you. Oh, didn't quite come up. So that's the way you spell it. Capitals for okay, anyway, just look at that. And I'll show you her channel. It's this one. I am subscribed. I'm not going to unsubscribe. Here's her channel. Oh, I forgot to put on my notification bell. Make sure to do this to make sure you're always notified for her videos. Yeah, she's actually my friend on this. If I go back and release her planet, I will show you. I'll get to person there in a minute, guys. Where is she? There she is. That's her. She plays in the Ireland server. So if you want her, go ahead and make our server. And you can get her. I never had that much. Oh yeah, because I got 200. Pixie's online. She always, which I hate her, but it's okay. Like I don't really like her there. Let's open up my gifts. Why is this turned down so much? Yeah. So here's my character. Do you like her, guys? Oh my god, I never get anything in my piggy, so I was empty. No problem. Did I get no gift from that one? Because I remember I did get a gift from her. No. Oh my god, Nicole. Make sure to go follow these people's. Nicole, what's wrong with your eyes? I told her to get big thick eyelashes. Like, they don't suit her. Look at me with them. They suit me, but something happens with her. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Okay, for activities, okay, I don't like the carriers. Do you guys? Okay, we got 4. Are you for real with me, guys? MSP, give me more, please. That means my creating rates got more stuff. Yeah. Anyway, here's a hack. I'll always go to that thing and you get gift right here. By the way, guys, I have another hack. You can get if you get any VIP, you can get the 1 year VIP for shorter. for like less amount of money. So make sure to get any VIP, and then you can just pay €40 to actually get this whole thing for a year. Yeah. So let's go change my outfit. I've been wearing that a day. I'll change my outfit. Don't bully me. Make sure to give me an autograph. By the way, this girl randomly gave me a gift. Well, I think I asked her. No, yeah. I said, hey, do you want to gift? And then she said, wait, I'm on level 5. I'll give you a gift. You don't have to give me one. And I was like, oh, okay. That's up the fire bit. And she gave me a gift, which I will show you what it was. Oh, this. This thing is like 800 and it doesn't even fit your head. I can't stop laughing at it though. Oh my god, my stomach. Okay. Let's get on with the face. Get off here. What's happening? I don't like that. Okay. That was for St. Patrick's Day. I like these up so much. But actually, I'm gonna make a Scream Team one. No, I'm not. No. Those earrings on your nose always make you look really weird. Whoa, I did not click those. I wanted these. That was the beginner eyes. This is VIP eye. These are VIP. These are VIP, and they're non. 2 non-VIPs. By the way, guys, for VIP, I glitched this. But it did take the star coin, but it didn't make me VIP, which is fine. Just shared a little secret there. Ow, scraped my back. Somebody scrapes on it, though. Okay, back to green eyes. I mean, brown eyes. Even though I don't even have brown eyes, I have blue eyes. Okay, she's pretty, but the nose, look at it. It's so weird. But yeah, I hate trying to click off accessories that are small. Okay, I'll show you my stuff. So I'll show you. I'll tell you if they're not VIP or not, and I'll try estimate. So that is 800. This is with 6 diamonds. This is 250 VIP. That's VIP. This is. I bought the whole set of it, but I'm not gonna explain actually, guys. I'll make that another video because I can't really bother right now. I'll make a full-on video of all my stuff because I don't really have enough time. Because the limit on Screencast is 15 minutes, which that's the actual limit on YouTube. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this girl also gave me this thing. Whoa. Didn't get off. I don't like that. I love those earrings. Okay, guys, I don't want shoes to wear. Probably these. I love those. Guys, if you do want to do rare trade, go on, just text me. I don't care. I'll do rare trades. Oh my god. Oh my golly. That nose is really annoying. It looks so sloppy. It looks like the slop nose. Okay, she's gonna be normal, like. I don't even have brown hair. Blonde. Oh my god, why did I want that? But I'll show you the VIP. Oh, I got. What will it be? Oh. Itching my leg. Let's go. Cafe. No one's in on the mornings. Right now it is 7:53, which is almost 8 o'clock. She's rare. This is it. People are rude. He's back. Was that the guy that just came? She's in the phone or an iPad. No, I don't want the mobile one. She's also on one. Why is everyone just leaving? Staying. Everyone's such a poo. Oh, she wants to say anything. I don't care, girl. She just. Oh, she's back. She's rare hair. This one? Where is everyone? I don't know. I don't know. The chat rooms are dead. There. No. Chat. Log. Oh my god, I can't spell. Anyway, let's pick a color. Okay, I'm just doing that. Hey girls. Bye. Okay, let's go on VIP Club. Some of you are wondering, what is VIP Club like? You're going to see right now. You're going to see right now. Because I'm so weird. I know. This is what it's like. Wait. Ooh, Star Queen. It gives you 3 Star Queens, like. It's okay. That's okay. Time to walk around. Nom nom nom. Okay, anyway, let's go over here. Let me show you more places. So anyway, guys, I'm sorry if this video was really weird. It was just my first time recording on a laptop. So make sure to subscribe for me. That would really help. It would really help me get well now. And when you subscribe, there's also a bell, like, and it's really important to hit that bell. And yeah, so make sure to also like. It's the thumbs up. That's the like button. And then there's down, which that means you're a hater if you touch that. So please don't touch that one. Please go for the right one, which is the thumbs up. If you guys could see me in the shadow. Yeah. So make sure to subscribe now and comment how do you get. Okay. Bye guys.